we're going to explore 2 use cases of AI in the manufacturing industry. By the end of this video, you'll be able to recognize how general AI is being used today in predictive maintenance in the manufacturing industry. You'll also assess how AI is being used today in generative design. First, let's look at predictive maintenance. So our case study is General Motors, or GM. In its production facilities, GM uses AI-powered systems to monitor the condition of the machinery and equipment continuously. So sensors are collecting data on vibration, temperature, noise, and other parameters that might indicate wear on a specific machine or even indicate impending failure. Machine learning algorithms analyze this data in real time, and they throw out notifications about equipment that may fail or require maintenance. And that allows GM to proactively address issues before they lead to downtime or, even worse, expensive repairs. Another aspect within GM that's using AI is vehicle maintenance and diagnostics. For the vehicles that GM has, it's been exploring the use of AI to predict the maintenance needs and potential system failures before they occur. This involves analyzing data from the vehicle's onboard sensors and systems to identify patterns or anomalies that may indicate a future problem. By providing vehicle owners with early warnings, then they're improving customer satisfaction, they're keeping cars on the road in a much better state much longer, and enhancing the reliability of those vehicles. So the benefits that GM is seeing from using AI systems is reduced downtime, specifically on that preventive maintenance. It helps GM minimize unplanned downtime. It helps them to schedule in advance maintenance on their machines. They're not in the middle of a run of production when something breaks. So scheduled maintenance is always less expensive than unscheduled maintenance. Again, cost savings. By preventing unexpected failures and extending the lifespan of the machinery by being proactive on the maintenance, GM is significantly reducing their maintenance and repair costs. And finally, there's improved safety. Don't forget that AI is not the only thing working on the GM lines. There are people there too. By using predictive maintenance, it ensures the safety of users, of workers, by predicting and preventing failures of the machines and failures that could pose risks to them. So it's very positive for both the humans as well as the bottom line at GM. In the context of that diagnostics that we talked about, there is a savings or potential customer satisfaction numbers go up when owners are notified that their vehicles could use maintenance proactively rather than experiencing a failure. So let's examine the use case of generative design. So generative design is simply a process where designers or engineers are inputting design goals or specifications into an AI system, and then the software explores all the possible permutations or possibilities of solutions and quickly generates design alternatives. So what that means is it tests and learns from each iteration of the design and projects and predicts what is the best manufacturing product, process, and material for the specified outcome that's desired. So in this particular use case, this is a comparison of Airbus and Autodesk. So Autodesk is a computer-aided design or CAD tool. And so what they were trying to do was to create a bionic partition within an airplane. And so what they were trying to do was to find a stable but lightweight partition between cabins within the airplane. And what they found was within this project, the most notable outcome was that they found a material and weight reduction by using AI that they probably would not have stumbled upon for a very long time, because AI can analyze these design options much more quickly than humans can. By applying that generative design, they created a partition that was 45% lighter than existing designs while still meeting all the safety and strength requirements. So the generative design process led to the creation of components that not only use less material, but are also more efficient and provide the same or better functionality. The partition design was optimized for 3D printing. This is also known as additive manufacturing, but this 3D printing also reduced the cost of manufacturing this novel, new partition design. The AI-driven process can consider numerous variables at the same time, and this speeds up the process and it tests out the outcomes before we go to manufacturing. In this video, we learned how to recognize where general AI is being used in predictive maintenance. We assessed how AI is being used today in generative design within the manufacturing industry.